Hey guys, what's up? Wyatt, Mirich here. Going to talk to you a little bit today about the science behind the stress response in humans and
Fight or
animals.
flight is a defense mechanism that arouses whenever the body senses an external threat of any kind, whether it be a saber-toothed tiger or maybe a pretty girl walks by and you can't handle yourself. So, this is how the body reacts to that. Discovered by a guy named Walter Bradford Cannon in the early 1900s, and it was added on to later by a guy named
Total
Robert
beast, by
Sapolsky.
the way. Teaches at Stanford. You guys should check out
And
some of
he
his lectures if
gave
you
us
want.
the 4 F's of stress: flight, fight, fear, and
In the fight or flight response,
mating.
there's three main hormones you guys need to be aware of: cortisol, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. Epinephrine and norepinephrine, also called adrenaline, are what's going to be responsible for the immediate effects that you feel following whatever stimuli set off your reaction. Now, these two hormones come from the adrenal glands that are located on top of your kidneys. And what they do is they bind to alpha receptor number 1, which stunts the blood flow to your GI tract into your skin, and it also binds with beta receptor number 2, which causes vasodilation and increases blood flow to your heart and your skeletal muscles so that your reaction time can be quick and to the point. Cortisol, on the other hand, is a regulating hormone. It's a steroid hormone that helps to keep balance with your bodily fluids and your blood pressure as you go through this crazy response that we call
One thing to
fight or
keep in
flight.
mind
About cortisol, though, is as a steroid hormone, too much of it can be a bad thing. Dr. Robert Sapolsky at Stanford even noted in baboons that it can cause increased
Elevated
blood
blood
pressure, immune system failure, and even contribute to obesity,
Especially
in adipose tissue in the abdomen.
Now,
Here's where we take the discussion to the next level. An interesting question that's been proposed is there a difference in the gender process of the fight or flight response? And there was recently a study in Australia by two guys named Ju-Hong Lee and Vincent Harley who say there most definitely is. They talk about the SRY gene that's located on the Y chromosome. It was previously only thought to deal with the development of male genitalia when in the womb, but it's been discovered lately that there's these types of proteins from this SRY gene in the presence of these proteins in the brain increase the release of norepinephrine, serotonin, dopamine, some of these main hormones that deal with the fight or flight
This could
response.
offer some insight as to why females tend to lean more towards the befriend technique as opposed to the fight or flight
that you see in men most often.
Testosterone could play a fact in this as well. It's something that's still being researched, but hey
never know
guys,
what
thanks
could
for
happen.
watching. Hopefully this was informative and you had a good time watching. Thanks. See you next time.